Welcome back. Okay, we're gonna open up and see what's in the box. Hopefully it'll be straightforward to open. Come on. You always say that and then foam. Get out. Okay, cool. So it looks pretty simple, hopefully. Has the instruction manual right here. The remote is on the other side. Neatly packed there. Everything fell out, almost. And I guess you just assemble this thing here.
Wow. So it looks like this thing is super delicate because it's all made of foam.
Yep. And on the inside you also have some tools, I think maybe in the battery. We'll see what that's all about. I hope I don't destroy it while taking it out. It's these things. Here we go. Wow. I guess it has a landing gear on here too. It comes with a screwdriver, some tweezery looking things. I guess, yeah, the assembly. We'll have to do an assembly video for you guys too. But, come on, get out of here. This is pretty cute. Let's see if it's one of the easier ones to use. Can't open it. I can't open it. Okay. There we go. You need 3 AAA batteries, the little ones, to run it. And yeah, it looks pretty simple. Just sort of left and right, and should be easy to fly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.